We all know about vitamins, those essential nutrients our bodies crave for optimal function and overall well-being. But have you heard of niacin, the often overlooked vitamin? Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is a true unsung hero, playing a vital role in keeping our bodies running smoothly and efficiently. From converting food into energy to repairing our DNA, niacin is a busy bee working tirelessly behind the scenes every single day. Without niacin, our cells wouldn't be able to perform basic tasks essential for survival. It's like the oil in a well-oiled machine, ensuring everything runs without a hitch or interruption. In this exploration of niacin, we'll uncover the fascinating ways this essential nutrient impacts our health and vitality. We'll delve into its two main forms, its role in energy production, and the numerous processes it supports within our bodies. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible power of niacin. Niacin comes in two main forms, nicotinic acid and niacinamide. These two forms, though chemically similar, have distinct characteristics and benefits. Don't let the names intimidate you. Both forms are essential and work in slightly different ways. Understanding these differences can help you make informed choices about your health. Nicotinic acid is the form often associated with the infamous niacin flush, a harmless but noticeable side effect that causes temporary redness and warmth in the skin. This flushing effect can be surprising, but is generally short-lived. Niacinamide, on the other hand, doesn't cause flushing and is generally well tolerated. It's often preferred by those who are sensitive to the flushing effect of nicotinic acid. Both forms of niacin are readily available in supplement form, but we also obtain it naturally through our diet. Foods rich in niacin include chicken, fish, and nuts, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Whether you're getting it from food or supplements, your body converts both forms of niacin into crucial coenzymes, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, NADP. These conversions are vital for maintaining good health. These coenzymes are the real workhorses, playing critical roles in hundreds of cellular processes, including energy metabolism and DNA repair. They are essential for the proper functioning of our cells. So while nicotinic acid and niacinamide might be the stars of the show, it's NAD and NADP that truly steal the spotlight. Their importance in our body's cellular functions cannot be overstated. Now let's meet the power couple behind niacin's magic NAD and NADP. These two coenzymes are essential for our body's energy production. These coenzymes are like the dynamic duo of our cells, responsible for converting the food we eat into usable energy. They work tirelessly to ensure that every bite we take is transformed into the energy we need to function. Imagine them as tiny but mighty energy converters, constantly at work keeping our bodies fueled and ready to go. Whether you're running a marathon or just getting through a busy workday, NAD and NADP are there, powering every move. NAD and NADP play a crucial role in cellular respiration, the process by which our cells break down glucose from food and transform it into ATP, the primary energy currency of our cells. This process is vital for maintaining our overall health and well-being. Without NAD and NADP, this intricate process would come to a grinding halt, leaving our cells starved for energy. Just like a car can't run without fuel, our bodies can't function without these essential coenzymes. Think of it like trying to power your house without electricity. Impossible, right? Our cells would be left in the dark, unable to perform their necessary functions. That's why ensuring an adequate intake of niacin is vital. It keeps these energy converters humming along, providing our bodies with the fuel they need to thrive. By including niacin-rich foods in our diet, we support the continuous production of energy, helping us stay active and healthy. Section 4. Niacin's wide-reaching benefits, from metabolism to DNA. Beyond its starring role in energy production, niacin boasts an impressive resume of health benefits. It is not just a one-trick pony. Its influence extends far and wide across various bodily functions. This versatile nutrient is a jack of all trades, supporting a wide range of bodily functions. From aiding in digestion to enhancing brain function, niacin is indispensable. One of niacin's key roles is in DNA repair, acting like a skilled mechanic patching up any damage to our genetic blueprint. This ensures that our DNA remains intact and functional. This is crucial for preventing mutations that can lead to serious health problems. By maintaining the integrity of our DNA, niacin helps in safeguarding our long-term health. Niacin also plays a part in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, helping to lower harmful LDL cholesterol while boosting beneficial HDL cholesterol. This balance is vital for cardiovascular health. Furthermore, niacin acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in the fight against cellular damage. These free radicals are like tiny troublemakers, wreaking havoc on our cells and contributing to aging and disease. They can accelerate the aging process and increase the risk of various diseases. Niacin steps in as a powerful protector, neutralizing these free radicals and keeping our cells healthy and resilient. By doing so, it helps us maintain our vitality and overall well-being. Section 5. Fueling up on niacin, finding it in your food.